Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you are doing well. In today's lecture I will discuss what is integration. Integration, the reverse operation of differentiation, or we can say the inverse process of differentiation is called anti-differentiation or integration. We know in differentiation we measure rate of change of some dependent variable with respect to some independent variable. As we write y is a function of x, we take its derivative change in y with respect to x. We say derivative of y with respect to x and we denote f prime of x. This is called differentiation and its inverse operation is called integration. And we use the symbol elongated S for integration. We write integral of f of x dx. When we take the integral of this f prime of x, we will get this primitive function. If f prime of x is equal to f of x, then phi of x is called an antiderivative or an integral of f of x. Phi of x is a function and its derivative is f of x. Then when we will integrate this function, we get phi of x. Integral of f of x with respect to x is phi of x. We say integral of f of x with respect to x. As we differentiate some function with respect to variable x or with respect to theta, in the same way we take integration, we integrate with respect to some variable. We say integrate with respect to x or with respect to the variable involved. The expression whose integral is sought is called the integrand. Here f of x is the integrand because we want to integrate this function and we want to find the primitive original function. The symbol this is called an integral sign and f of x is called the integrand. This explanation in another way: if there is some function f of x such that derivative of f of x is equal to f of x, then integral f of x dx is equal to capital F of x plus c. The indefinite integral of f of x equals f of x capital F of x plus c. The constant c is called constant of integration. F of x is called primitive function of f of x. This operator d over dx, it means we take derivative with respect to x, and integral, here we write the function to be integrated dx, are inverse operations of each other. Suppose this is an expression and we want to differentiate it. When we take its derivative, we use power rule and we get 3x square plus 16x square plus 7. And its inverse operation, when we apply integral operation, integral of this expression will be this expression. This is the brief recapitulation of integration. Allah Hafiz.